These houses look like 5M homes, but the rent is less than 25K. Nairobi rent is a lie, because there are estates people don't talk about where houses look high-end, security is solid, but the rent is suspiciously cheap. Today, I'll show you hidden estates in Nairobi most agents won't tell you about, and why they stay under the radar. Here's the truth. Rent in Nairobi isn't about quality, it's about hype, access, and reputation. Some estates miss one thing, like a flashy name, a mall nearby, or influencer hype, and because of that, they stay affordable, even when the houses are premium. The state number 1, Kamakis Inaruas, not highway facing. When people hear Kamakis, they think traffic in Nyamachoma. But once you go inside, away from the highway, it's a different Nairobi. Widen stays low, still labeled upcoming. No big malls yet for public awareness. What shocks people, gated compounds, modern maisonettes, borehole water, private parking, rent range. 1 bedroom 18K to 22K, 2 bedrooms 23K to 28K. Estate number 2, Why? Joska Inner Zones. This is where houses look like Syokimau, but rent behaves like Kayole. Why it's hidden? Distant stigma, few matata roots inside, minimal advertise, but you get newly built apartments, spacious rooms, balconies, quiet environment. Rent range, 1 bedroom 15K to 20K, 2 bedroom 20K to 26K. Estate number 3, Kikuyu. Sagona back roads. Sagona front-facing houses are expensive, but 2 turns inside, the prices collapse. Why agents avoid it? Narrow access roads, fewer commissions, less demand pressure. But the reality is, they have high-end finishes, green surroundings, and New Year schools and bypass. Rent range, 2 bedroom, 25K to 30K, 3 bedroom, 30K to 35K. Here's the secret. These estates stay cheap because rent follows noise, not value. The louder an area is online, the higher the rent climbs. But be careful. Always confirm water source. Check night security. Ask about access during rains. Avoid paying before viewing. Now let me ask you, would you rather live in a quiet, hidden estate or pay more just to say you live in a known area? Comment the estate you think is overpriced or tell me which one I should expose next.